Dear friends, welcome to DB Infotech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get ORCA software for Windows and Linux versions. So for that, first go to google.com, then you can type ORCA forum. So if you type ORCA forum in Google, the first website will occur here. So this is that ORCA forum portal. Just you can click this. So this is the page of the ORCA software. So first we need to register, then only we able to download the software. For that, go to here register, just you can click it. So now you can agree the terms. Then you can type a username and email ID, password and everything. So first we will type the username. Then things are okay. Then you can check this. Then you can submit. So now you can check your email box. So you may get one email from that ORCA. So here, welcome to ORCA forum. Just click it. So to activate our account, just we need to click that link we received from that ORCA. So just you can click it. So here you can see our account is activated. So now we can type our username, password to log in that ORCA forum website. So if you want to remember this one, just you can click remember me. So then you can click to login. So now it will can also ask that accept this policy. Just you can click it and accept it. So that's all. So registration is completed. So this is our user ID. If you see here, is that. So then you click that download section. So if you see here, the different versions of ORCA is there here. So if you want to recent version, so just to click this ORCA 6.1.1. So these are the older version. So if you want any one of these, just you can download it. So we will prefer to use ORCA 6.1.1. So just you can click this one. So then it will show you the what are the versions available of the software. Version means different kind of format is there. So we can see here and choose which one is best one. So for that, what you have to do, first I will tell you that Windows version download. So if you go to down, you see that Windows version is there. So if you see this ORCA 6.1.1 Windows 64-bit installer, just you can, if you download this one. Otherwise, you can download this ORCA 6.1.1 Windows 64-bit auto CI part. So this auto CI part means if you want to do that couple clusters in calculation, for that you need this one. So if you don't want to do that kind of calculation, just you can go for this one. So just if you want to download this Windows version, just you can click it. So now download option will come. This is that download option. So actually I have downloaded this one. So this also you see the 5.81 GB. So it's a very large file. So you can try to use your Wi-Fi to download this one. So this is the file name ORCA 6.1.WinZip MSMPI zip. So then you can click this one. If you click this one, it start downloading. See here, so download starts. So already I did. So I can pause this one. So that's all, downloading the Windows version of ORCA software. So now I will tell you the Linux version. So go back. Now you can see there are 6 versions of Linux ORCA software available. So this is the one, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 versions in the Linux. So if you want any one of these, you can download. So earlier I have downloaded this one, ORCA 611 Linux x86-64 AVX2 tor.xz archive file. So just we can download it and we can install easily this one. So if you want to use any other things also, you can download. So I will tell you how to download this one. Just you can click it. So it will appear a download page. So this is the ORCA 6.1 Linux, the file name. So just we can click here, it will download automatically. Just I will click it here in download option. So here see automatically start downloads. So already I downloaded this file with me. So I will tell you later video how to install these things Windows on the Linux versions. So now I can stop this. So then one more thing also is that, so if you are using Mac OS, you can also go for this Mac OS version. So actually one more thing I will tell you here. So this is the ORCA 611 Mac OS X Intel version. So if you are Intel chipset, you can download this one for Mac, download it and you can install. So these are the other ARM64. You can download this Mac OS X version. Just you can click it, it will show file name and everything. Download option also. Just you can click, it will automatically download. So this is the things how to download ORCA softwares from that ORCA forum website. So that's all. Next video I will tell you how to install this ORCA in Windows and ORCA in Linux. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and like and share to your friend. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.